Hello everyone. Welcome to ABC Infosoft Private Limited. Introducing BizAce ERP. BizAce is a comprehensive and specialized ERP, enterprise resource planning, system designed specifically for the manufacturing industry. By integrating core business processes with manufacturing processes, BizAce ERP can provide a unified platform for managing various aspects of a manufacturing business, including production planning, inventory management, supply chain management, and financial management. The advanced functionality offered by BizAce ERP may include features such as bill of materials management, shop floor control, capacity planning, quality management, and product lifecycle management. These features can help manufacturing businesses streamline their operations, reduce costs, and improve efficiency and productivity. Overall, BizAce ERP appears to be a powerful tool that can provide manufacturers with the visibility and control they need to run their businesses more effectively. Modules of BizAce ERP: CRM and sales management, production management, job work management, purchase management, inventory management, hiring management, financial management, machine and asset management, HR and payroll management, task management. Highlights: holistic view of the entire business process, comprehensive yet scalable, messages on WhatsApp, SMS and mails, 25 plus years of domain experience, highly affordable pricing, cloud model and on-premise option, latest technology, customizable, mobile app, CRM and sales management. Highlights: source categories and source of leads, leads with follow-ups, auto client quotations and revisions, work orders based on quotations, sales invoices from work orders, receipts against advances and sales invoice, detailed MIS with dashboard. Key features: define all source of leads with source category and cost, store complete lead details, check on unique mobile number and email it for duplicity, with customized tags, add products and leads with discounts, terms and credit days along with currency. Prioritize the leads based on potential ratings, cold, warm or hot, and winning probability. Assign leads and tasks to your executives with detailed hierarchy and track their working. Schedule follow-ups and meetings with the clients with notifications for delayed follow-ups. Track the interactions with different clients through detailed comments and maintain complete audit trail. Import leads from IVR, website portals and Ms. Excel. Generate auto quotations from leads which can be updated, approved and revised later based on new inputs and competitive analysis. Comprehensive client details with statutory and demographic details. Sales work order on successful quotation with all details from quotation and final agreement terms and their revision thereafter. Generation of sales invoice from sales order or direct invoice. Receive items from client as per terms and return balance or defective items. Receipts form the clients as advance against the sales order or against sales invoice and debit notes. Complete accounting management for each client for sale order-wise advances, receipts, and outstanding payments. Management Information System MIS. All MIS reports pertaining to site, client and sales order with multiple combinations on dashboard and reporting formats. Sales and collection data for the month, and last year. Production Management. Highlights: manages multiple companies and sites. Detailed item-wise BOQ and process routing. Production planning with material, manpower and machines. Daily production monitoring with material, machine labor used. Quality control. Detailed, dynamic MIS reports. Key features: classify items into separate item groups and mark them as finished goods, semi-finished, raw material, consumable, and tools, and spares. All items are defined with purchase unit as well as issue unit in their conversion. Customized item-wise attributes as applicable in the industry. Assign a drawing no to each item and alternate items to be used. Define subcomponents of the items to get the detailed bills of quantity, BOQ. Quality parameter checklist for each item in terms of size, weight, color, batch, etc. Assign separate batch, senior no to each item if required. Classify working manpower into different groups. Define as per the different skill set and the average cost for it. Register each manpower resource in the HR module with details of his employment, department, designation, qualifications, salary structure, leaves allowed, etc. Classify all machines into multiple machine groups and define cost for running per cycle or hour or kilometer. Details of each machine and all other assets with the machine type, manufacturer, model, purchase details, service schedule, fuel consumption, average running cost, maintenance schedules and activities, renewals of AMC and other permits, etc. Define multiple processes and sub-processes in masters and assign the processes in the items to get the complete production routing. We can define the details of machines required, setup timing, cycle time to get the fixed and variable cost of each process. The process routing helps in getting the actual cost and time of production for each item. Plan for month-wise, week-wise, daily shift-wise or for any specific order in advance. Allocate job card no to every task and assign machine and operators. The system will analyze and show all resources required like raw materials, add-on machines, labor, wastage, consumables, etc. Get summary of all finished goods produced, raw material required, labor, machine, consumables, and wastage allowed. Find the status of production at various process stages for any order. Update the actual production finished goods T along with the raw material used, consumables used and wastage generated. Raw material, consumables and wastage will be checked as per the BOQ and current issued T and the variance would be recorded. Operators, supervisors working would be recorded for each job card, shift and the attendance would be marked in HR module. Machine running counters along with the downtime for various reason would be recorded to give invaluable data and this would be passed on to machine log as well. Each job card, daily production entry would be checked by quality check team and will report the rejections if any. Quality parameters checklist of all items in daily progress along with the photos attached. Variation in actual consumption with BOQ, stock issued. Actual versus plan. Cost per unit of each work as per work category, milestone, work template. Daily, weekly, monthly progress report. Job work management. Highlights. Job work orders for labor or with material. Indents and issue of material for job work. Receiving of material after job work. Job work bills with deductions and taxes. Contractor payment. Credit and debit notes. Vendors payment, credit note, debit note. Job work key features. Job work order for labor work or with material job work with all terms like various advances, retention percent, hold, GST and TDS applicable. Items indent and issue for job work to the contractor as per the job work order. Material received after job work from contractor including wastage and rejections. Job work bills as per the job work order and material received status. No possibility of overbilling. Bill to handle all deductions like hold amount, mobilization advance, miscellaneous advance, retention and TDS along with the addition of GST and any secure advance applicable. Credit note and debit note to contractor for release or hold of any advance, hold amount, retention or security after the bill. Job work payment. Payment of job work bills and credit notes for any period. Also payment for the secure advance and material advance to be made to contractor and deduction of TDS accordingly. Purchase management. Highlights. Purchase requirement analysis, purchase request. Request for quotation, quotations. Quotation comparison with analysis. Purchase order. GRN and GRN rejection. Purchase invoice and rejection. Vendor's payment, credit note, debit note. Purchase key features. All items are defined with their group, manufacturer, batch, expiry, reorder level, opening balance, and max level. Rate defined for varying periods. Purchase and issue unit of measurement along with its conversion for each item. Option to mark items as high value. Purchase requirement analysis from the monthly work planning, taking into account pending indents, already ordered quantity, stock in hand, reorder level and max level to compute accurate item requirement for the month. Vendor's details with item groups, items and rate agreement other than statutory and demographic details. Request for quotation to vendors, quotations received and comparison of all quotation to make decision for the purchase order to the shortlisted vendor. Generate purchase order from quotation, comparison automatically. While generating purchase order directly from purchase request, details of last 10 purchase rate and the stock quantity displayed for all items. Item-wise GST, HSN number, discount and free quantity in purchase order. Statutory informations like taxation, insurance, freight, delivery terms, and payment terms. The items received via challan are entered and a goods receipt note, GRN, is generated. GRN authenticate the items, manufacturer quantity and other terms from purchase order. Item stocks are updated on approval of GRN. In case there is some rejection, a GRN rejection transaction is entered. Purchase invoice is generated either from the GRN's quantity or directly if the invoice is received with the delivery of item. All statutory terms are picked from the PO. Any item returned to vendor can be handled by purchase return can be made after purchase invoice. Vendor payment. Payment of purchase invoice and credit notes for any period. Also, payment for the advance to be made to vendor and deduction of TDS accordingly. Credit and debit note to vendors for any credit or any deduction or stock adjustment. Inventory management. Highlights. Indent from production, other departments. Indent from job work, other sites. Issue to production, departments. Issue to job works, other sites. Return from departments, job works. Stock statements, ledger with reorder level. Stock valuation on last purchase, FIFO rate. Inventory key features. The items received via challan are entered and a goods receipt note, GRN, is generated. GRN authenticate the items, manufacturer T and other terms from purchase order. Item stock are updated on approval of GRN. In case there is some rejection, a GRN rejection transaction is entered. All indents from production, job works and departments are authenticated for item quantity from job card, job work order, item BOQ and items already issued. No possibility of over-indenting of items. Items are issued for production as per plan job card, for job works and departments after validation of indents, subject to availability of stock. Purchase request is generated for the pending indents and also reflected in purchase request analysis. Stocks update from the daily production for finished, semi-finished and wastage, rejected items. Raw material not consumed during the day or rejected are also returned to store. Items required at another site can be indented and issued based on the urgent requirement and will be confirmed as received by the second project. Stock statements, ledgers, movement and valuation can be availed at various levels and filters along with detailed dashboard. Hiring management, materials received on hire and bills. Highlights, mark items for hiring with rate. Purchase order for hiring. GRN for the hired items as per PO. GRN returns of the returned item for hiring. RA bills of the hired material with auto calculation for the duration used and billing thereof. Detailed reports for each item. Vendor payment, credit, debit notes. Financial management, site expense management and financial books. Highlights, defined cost categories and cost heads. Posting of journal vouchers. Entry of expenses and payments. Site receipts cost head-wise. Contra entries. Integration with Tally, all vouchers can be automatically posted in Tally. Bank transfer letter auto generation. Day book, cash book, cash flow. Trial balance, check printing. Machine, asset management. Machines, vehicles and assets maintenance and performance monitoring. Highlights. Detailed machine, vehicle master with renewals, fuel consumptions and service schedule. Daily machine working logs. Service, breakdown maintenance. Material and labor cost bifurcation with estimates and actual bills. Productivity versus cost analysis. Reminders for all insurance, permits renewals. HR and payroll management. Attendance, salary slips and HR reports. Highlights. Maintains complete record of all employees including the employee code, name, demographic data, salary and different heads, department, designation, PF account, ESI account, etc. Definition of salary head as per formula or straight away. Leaves as per defined by user. Salary settings as per monthly basis, or on wages basis. Daily, monthly attendance record. Short-term and long-term loans. Record of employees in time, out time, lunch hours, overtime. Application of salary increment formula. Supports all types of smart cards, bar cards, etc. Task management. Assign tasks and monitor progress. Highlights. Define task list for various projects and teams separately. Create tasks with title, detailed description, attachments, priority, and estimated time. Add as many subtasks to bifurcate the main task and make it easier to analyze the progress and declaration of tasks. Add comments to tasks and subtasks at any stage and everyone can visualize the comments. Also update the task with the status and progress percent. Also add attachment with comments. Email notification to every user on creation or updation of any task assigned to him or comment received on the task. Detailed timeline to monitor the activities of every executive with respect to any task or project or task list. Get MIS information based on users, projects, task list, tasks and subtasks for any specified period. Android mobile app for ease of working. Highlights. Dashboard on mobile for quick view. Access strictly as per the rights. Add, update new masters and transactions anywhere. Specially useful for updating all tasks on remote sites. Approval of all transactions through app after viewing all details in mobile responsive format. View and download all major reports and MIS data for ready reckoned. About us. 28 plus years expertise. 500 plus awesome clients. 2,000 plus successful projects. 10,000 plus software users. 100% success rate. For more details, contact now for a live demo on the given number and email ID. Visit on our website www.abcinfosoft.com. Thank you.